It's undeniable that the video game industry is exploding and demand for quality programmers is off the charts. Now's your opportunity to secure a high-paying career in game development with the skills provided in ProAnywhere's online course, Programming Animation for Games. In this curriculum, you're given hands-on experience coding a production-ready modern animation system software. Unlike most coding classes, with ProAnywhere, you'll get actual working code to be able to correct your mistakes and work along the way. Plus, we'll teach you the modern coding techniques for CPU and GPU, revealing how to properly implement C++ professionally. Everything is done from scratch with a step-by-step guide and the actual algorithms explained, so you have no problem mastering this incredible craft. The bottom line is, in this conclusive and affordable course, we'll provide you with the skills and confidence to apply for jobs utilizing platforms like Epic's Unreal or Unity engines, so you can finally secure a career in this ever-growing space. So don't wait any longer. Start your class today.